Hello friends, welcome to Nidhi's Creative Zone. Today I am going to share with you healthy and delicious recipe of Rasgira flour or Amaranth flour laddus that you can use easily at home and in fasting time also. So for this here I have taken 1 cup of Amaranth or Rajgira atta in a pan, and this is how it comes in the packet. And now roast it for about 1 to 2 minutes on low flame. Make sure to do it on low flame, otherwise it will burn and bad smell. After 1 minute, add 1 tablespoon of clarified butter or ghee and keep on stirring until the clarified butter or ghee mix with the flour and starts changing its color. It will take about 3 to 4 minutes. Make sure to do it on low flame and stir it all the time. Once it's changed the color, add crushed walnut 2 to 3 tablespoons or any nuts of your choice. Roast the walnuts for about a minute and then switch off the gas. Then add the desiccated coconut and stir it until the coconut mix and remove it from the gas and set it aside to slightly cool down. And now as you have seen, I have removed it from the gas and it slightly cooled down that I can handle it with the hand. At this point, add half cup of sugar in it. You can use the powdered sugar also in place of granulated sugar. Mix the sugar properly in the amaranth flour. Once it is mixed properly, now I am going to use 1/4 cup of clarified butter and half cup of milk. You can use either one, that is up to you. Now I am going to add the clarified butter in it and give it a quick mix. We'll check if the clarified butter is enough to bind the laddus or the balls. Now check with your hand if it is binding. It's not binding, so I am going to add half cup of milk here and now mix properly. It is slightly hot, that's why I am using the spatula. And now at this point, once it is mixed, I am going to use my hand to mix it properly so that I have an idea how much more milk I have needed. Now take a small portion and start pressing it, and you have seen the mixture is perfectly bind, so no need to add butter or the milk. Now roll it in between your palm as I am showing you here and form a ball, and this is the first laddu ready as you have seen here. Put it in a plate and now similar way prepare rest of the laddus. Make sure you have to do it quickly. When it is hot you have to prepare all the laddus, otherwise when it is became cold it is hard to make the laddus. Similar way I am going to prepare rest of the laddus, then I will show you in a minute. So here I have done rolling all the amaranth flour balls or laddus. It is so delicious and yummy as you have seen by the texture. I will show you one laddu closely, and this is how it's so yummy. You can eat in the fasting time, and if you are following any keto diet or any type of diet you can use this. There is no side effect for this, and if you want to store this for a longer period of time, instead of milk just use the clarified butter and you can store this with that process in the refrigerator for about 1 week. And if you like this recipe of delicious amaranth flour laddus, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.